September 6th, 2020, 11:41 in the evening. That is our moon. It's a little bit oranger than that. There's the pole. There's Mars. See if I can zoom out. It gets a better shot. So right up there is Mars, right above the pole. The sun's rising right up in here. So this is almost in line with the sunrise. Sunrise is in not even 6 hours, so this thing will probably be like right here with the twins right above my head. Over there is Jupiter. That's my dusk till dawn light kicking back on. It's got something wrong with the sensor. So there is Jupiter. Let's see if we can get zoomed in. It's about as close as I can get it. Zoomed in and all that. I will try to get Mars here in a minute. And I will try to see if I can get Jupiter. There's still that smoke, and they're frequencing it from Madera, Fresno. Big fire. I think it's the south of Yosemite National Forest. Wouldn't doubt it. I'm not even paying attention to the camera. Who knows what just went by. Whoa. That's what I get for messing around. Now we're looking at the color that I'm getting. I'm hoping the camera gets that. Let's move over a little bit. Let's go up with it. There is your Mars. And I don't mean a candy bar either. Yeah, that's Mars. It looked different for a second. I had to refocus. So yeah, a few days ago, Mars was right next to the moon. Looked like a little satellite to the right, kind of like to the 2:30 position, 2 o'clock position. Looked like an extra little something next to it. It's just the perspective that we see things. One thing's for sure, been alive a long time, and Terminator line's not supposed to be at an angle. It's supposed to be vertical every time, anytime. End of discussion. early 80s is when it started to change, is when I noticed it. Noticed the moon starts showing up in the daytime. And before that, never. Never, never. Never any moon in the daytime. It was always when the sun set, the moon would show itself. And when the moon set, the sun would show itself. When you're out on a ranch in dairies, and you're chasing cows at 2:30 in the morning, and you look straight up and the moon's right above you, and you don't need a flashlight because it's a full moon, and you know by 5:30 in the morning, when you're ready to wrestle in the cows to milk them, the sun comes up, you see the moon go down, and it never changes year after year. Then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, in the early 80s, you wake up one day and you look up and you see the moon. And you're scratching your head thinking, okay, something's not right. I can't put my finger on it. You know, if you only knew then what you know now, you would have been raising a red flag. Yep, it is what it is. Oh, that moon's moving right along, so let's see if we can find Jupiter. Search Mars. There's my light. See if I can find Jupiter real quick. And there's Jupiter. Southwest. Cannot see Saturn hardly. I'll try to get Saturn, but it's going to be real difficult. Yeah, not going to get it. Back to Jupiter. And back to the moon. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Sorry, Deb. Didn't mean to blind you. It's not a joke either. Got a channel for my wife. Over 4,000 videos. Debbie Borba channel if you guys want to go check it out. But get too many copyrights and problems with YouTube, so I started this channel. And I do this mainly because my wife is blind in one eye and it's moving hereditary, it's moving to her left eye. So she's almost totally blind in her right eye and it's progressing to her left eye. So she can't really go outside and stare at stuff. So in the house, darken the windows, turn on the widescreen TV, record this and show it to her. It's the only way she can see these things. So now you guys pretty much know that's what the channel's about. My channel is pretty much for my wife. I do this because my wife, I don't know how much longer she's going to have her vision. So we've always, when we were younger, always used to love watching the stars and seeing everything. So I don't want her to miss out on that. All right. Everybody be safe. Peace out.